Show you. So here's a pipe, a vent. It's like a stove pipe for a heater inside, but the flashing is not done. Normally people put tar and all that stuff around. This will leak because this is the roof is just stopped there, but there's no flashing here. So how do you do the flashing? And I'm going to show you a quick and easy way. So first of all, we put tape. We put tape like that. Nice. So just to make it look neat. That's the first thing. You want to make it look nice. And I'm going to show you how quickly we can make the flashing. And this is unbelievable good. Okay. Like that. And this is what we use, by the way. Let me show you. It's called Turbo Polyester from Bergstrom.com. Unbelievable product. This one's already messed up because we don't use it, but they come with the instruction guide. You can see it's got dirty already, but it's got pictures and everything like that. It shows you how to do it. All right. So that's what we're going to do, by the way. What they show in the picture there. See that? Is exactly what we're going to do. So let me show you how that's done. So simple, so easy. So I use that product, and it's an amazing product. So you paint this on, okay? I paint it everywhere, very fast. You don't have to. So we paint this on. I'm the cameraman, and then you cut yourself the fleece with one hand. So the key to make the transition is you cut yourself tabs like this, see? So you cut tabs in the fleece all the way through. How to do it in the wind. Okay. So I think I got enough here. So you put this around like this. Let me show you. And you put it around like that. You use gloves because this stuff is nasty to get off your hands. This is polyurethane, and you probably want to use gloves. So once you got it like that, and then you paint another coat over this, and that's it. And I'm almost done, and that gives it the strength, that fleece. And that took me, what, 10 minutes? Okay. So I'm done. I paint the job. And then I remove my tape. The wind is blowing. And there you go. Easiest way to do flashing is go to that website, Bergstrom.com, and you buy yourself a kit, and you can repair any roof. Flashing around the vent, that's what I showed you that just now. I'm the flat roof doctor. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. Blah, blah, blah.